So Sherry, what are you guys working on right now?
We are currently working on building our habitat, which happens in Mars Academy, which is one of our summer programs.
This is part of the settlement mission in Mars Academy. What is the settlement mission?
The settlement mission, all week long, we teach kids how to possibly settle on Mars. And so at the end of the week, we all group together. We have all different positions. We have doctors, roboticists, engineers, ambassadors, and documentarians.
So all of the kids are broken up into teams, or each team has different roles on it. That's what it is.
Yes, each team has 5 different roles.
And then they work together to make their own settlement, like fictional settlement on Mars.
Yeah, that's exactly what they do.
So this HAB, this is supposed to be their quote unquote habitat that all of the teams work on together to...
Yeah, all
to create.
5 engineers work together to build our HAB.
What age group is Mars Academy?
All right, Mars Academy is going into 7th or 8th grade.
This is also done in the Martian base camp,
It
correct?
is done in the Martian base camp, just on a higher level.
So if you know any students that are in 7th or 8th grade, send them to Mars Academy, where they can learn to make their own settlement on Mars and build their own habitat on the Martian surface. Right now, we're just testing this out, and it's difficult. They got their work cut out for them. Those engineers
That's right.
got to work hard.
They do have to work very hard.
All right, thanks guys.